A very good morning, students of our 11th class. We will go for the S block elements. So in a S block elements, we can say the group 1 is here. In a group 1 electronic configuration, atomic and ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, hydrogen enthalpy, physical properties will come. And according to the group 1, it shows its ionization enthalpy shows the color, size, density, boiling point and melting point with detection of respective flame. Chemical properties are given here as reactivity with air, with water, with dihydrogen, with towards halogen, with reducing nature and solution in liquid ammonia. General characteristics said to be the halides, salts, and the oxides and hydroxides. Analogous properties of litmus cause and point, some like this only. So you can see this one chart properly. You can see this chart. After this, we are telling about the chemical reactivity of it. Chemical reactivity, I am going to tell you in a description one. So here, according to the syllabus, I am going to give a lecture to you. So according to this, first is in a this S block elements, they ask first of all the introduction. Okay, in our ABC, the introduction is there. After introduction means the alkali metals are possible here. Then they are asking about the electronic configuration. In electronic configuration, the valence electron will come as ns1. You can see in your ABC book also. Next, after this, we are using here a oxidation number. Oxidation state means readily form M positive ion because they can lose outermost S electron. Okay, because why they are using the outermost electron to become it stable, and it shows its +1 oxidation state. Next, we are talking about the atomic and the ionic radius. What happens when it is goes on increasing, then atomic number is also goes on increasing. But monovalent cation are smaller than the parent atom. Understood, beta? After this, after this, we are going to important one is ionization enthalpy, which already have tell to you lowest ionization enthalpy is respect period to a large atomic size. Why it is so? Because there is a force of attraction is more and there is a less amount of energy. Second ionization, high second ionization because after losing one electron they acquire noble gas. Means when they losing the electron they form a noble gas here. Electropositive character are strongly electropositive due to why it is so, because they having a low ionization enthalpy. Metallic character will takes place. After this we will go on the very important thing, chemical properties and the physical properties. Okay, so here we are telling about the chemical properties, reactivity with air. When it is with air means oxygen, so it comes as lithium oxide. Sodium react with oxygen from sodium peroxide, and potassium is react with with oxygen to form potassium superoxide. Rubidium is react with oxygen to give rubidium superoxide, and Cs cesium is with oxygen to give us cesium superoxide. Very important it is. Okay, so you can see this one. Next is reaction with water. Li is react with the water, it forms as LiOH plus H2. Same 2Na plus react with the water form 2NaOH plus H2. In general, we can say 2M plus 2H2O give 2M plus 2OH plus H2. Net reactivity with hydrogen. In this one, lithium, sodium, potassium we will take, and we are reacting with the hydrogen and giving a different types of temperature. So it form here as lithium hydride, sodium hydride, potassium hydride like this. Now reactivity with halogens may takes place directly. 2Na plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl. After this, we are using here general characteristics of alkali metals. Oxides and hydroxides will take place in this one. Fine. Now you can see analogous properties of lithium will here. Difference between lithium and other, it is there. You can see and write down in your copy. Okay. Now similarities between the two are there. Similarities means how they are same. Who? Lithium and the magnesium. Now compounds of sodium will come. The preparation will takes place. Okay, alkali is made commercially by electrolysis. Catus Kölner cell is there. After this properties are there. So what you will do, you learn these all properties, sodium carbonate and these things, uses and their reactions, all the things, properties. This you have to use. Okay, sodium chloride, like you have to use sodium hydrogen carbonate. You have studied in 10th also, baking soda. Fine. After this, we are using very important. This is general characteristics of the alkaline earth metal. In this one, they are asking about the electronic configuration. Oxidation state is +2. Atomic and ionic size means with increase, with decrease in temperature, with decrease in nuclear charge. Ionization enthalpy. First, what will happen? Two groups will higher, then it goes on to looser one. Okay. After this, we are using a physical appearance, melting boiling point, flame color. These all things, learn it. Chemical properties again came. Again, chemical properties you all know that beryllium is react with the oxygen in the presence of the burning to form 2BeO. 3Be plus N2 gives Be3N2. Okay, so this thing is going on like this. Next is we are using various reactions are here. It is your wish how you will write. Okay. After this, we are using here this one portion, general characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metal. Fine. Halides are giving the examples, diagram of halides are like this. Understood, beta? Now, next we are talking about, wait a minute. Next, we are talking about actually that was not in a syllabus, but for the review only I am giving to you. If one time it will come, then it not create any problem. It means is this calcium oxide quicklime property is already 10th standard. Uses calcium hydroxide said to be the slaked lime. Properties is over preparation. Uses of slaked lime are there. Limestone CaCO3 plaster of Paris properties. Uses of it means is this one is totally from the 9th 10th standard. Okay, so these things if you will ask then you can do it these things. So understood students, IS block is completed today and I'm telling to you I'm giving this to you also. This one syllabus is also I'm giving to you in S block elements. So it will come in a S block. Thank you students and have a nice day. Write these things in your copy. Students, thank you.